guys, Theresa here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add transitions to your TikTok videos, so stay tuned. If you're new here, I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without any further ado, let's jump straight to the video. So first of all, you need to open up your TikTok account, and then you need to hit the plus sign if you want to add a video you've already pre-recorded from your camera roll. I'm going to go ahead and do that and select a video that I've shot a while back. I'm going to select this one and then hit next, and then hit next again, and then at the bottom there you'll say effects, and then go down to transitions at the bottom there, and then you can select a couple, and then kind of like scrub through your video and then determine where you want the transition to be at. And I'm just gonna give you an example. That one, that's a scroll, and there's a vertical. There's also rotate as well, which is really cool. This really would spruce up your video. So you can see here I have posted 3 different types of transition to my video, and that's it. When you're happy with it, hit save, next, and add the description, then post your video. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you want to share your TikTok handle with me, put it down there as well and I'll check it out. And I'll see you on the next one.